This is Tim here from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install apps on your Android phone. So you want to look for this app right here. This is called the Google Play Store. And you can find it maybe in your Google folder right here. Or you can swipe up from the top and you can see it right here. Just type in Play Store if you can't find it. And you should be able to find it right here. Tap it and open this up. This is the App Store on your phone. And you can go to apps right here. And you can go through the recommend apps, the top apps for kids, and there's some different categories like games and stuff under here as well. Now you can go to search too and type in the application you want, maybe like Facebook Messenger or something like that, and then just go to it and you can install it or update it. So I'm going to update this app. Now this is going to place it in your app menu here, and you have to find it. Then you can hold down on it and then go to add to home screen, and then you can move this to your front screen here too. So very easy to download and install apps on your Android phone. Just find the apps you want to download.